Welcome to part 4, answers. So we're going to go over how to have it automatically grade the answers for you. So question, what is your name? Over here, you can click on these 3 little dots. Response validation is what you want. And it will try and figure out what's an appropriate answer based on what you put in here. I want it to be text. And yeah, I'm just going to leave it at text. Make certain I have text that you have a name. Doing something that simple, I would not have a response validation for names, but for the purpose of this, I'm going to add it in. Come down here, response. Sorry, the second part is answer key. Answer key allows you to put in the point value, which I'm going to make it 0.1, a 1 point anyways. And then I'm going to select what the best answer is. Let's see, that would be 80 minus 30, so 50. And it's showing me right there that 50 is the correct answer. I can select more than one correct answer if I want. I can say all of these are right if I want, but I only want 50 to show up as the right answer. Then I'm going to click on done just to make certain it's in there. All right, we got 200 minus 170. Going back to that answer key, 200 minus 170 would be 30 again. And done. A work boot is heavy. I would measure its. Go to answer key again. Mass and grams. And, oops, I forgot a step on the last two. Put in the comments if you know what it is. The answer is point value. So I just have to come back up here, answer key, point value, 1 point, done. Actually, I'm going to make this one 2 points just because it has 2 answers. Down here, okay. I don't feel like reading that question. I'm going to say that this answer needs to be a number and the answer to it needs to be 32. Response validation. So I'm going to say that it has to be a number, and I'm just going to say that it is a number. This will allow them to do decimals, it will allow them to do fractions. It just needs numbers going on. You can decide if you want a range for it to be in, equal to, not equal to, less than or equal to. If you leave it as a number and with greater than, it will not accept 0 as an answer. So if you want them to be able to do 0 or just any number possible, is number. And the answer key, now that it knows to only accept numbers, correct answer, 32. And just for the sake of it, let's say 42 is also a correct answer because there are 2 correct answers to this problem. Mark all other answers as incorrect. It will automatically grade. And by setting that validation to being is number, that means that you don't have to type in the words 32 or risk the students typing in the word 32 for an answer, and they know they need to type in 32 to get it right. Once you do that, you have that all set and ready to grade.